Over just the last few years, digital fabrication has become much more capable. And as a result, we've seen a lot of companies from a wide variety of industries, everything from automotive and aerospace to entertainment and buildings and jewelry and dentistry, begin to digitize.
We're able to work with local manufacturers, print stuff that prototypes can go straight to mold, and kind of be more in charge of our own production.
So the Roadshow is all about connecting the community.
What makes the Roadshow really special is that we're going to local communities, finding the best experts in the field, bringing them in from large companies or local companies, and helping them teach their community members about their best practices.
We're so excited to be coming to all these local spots and meeting our customers and meeting people from the industry face to face and talking about challenges and barriers and how we're solving problems with additive manufacturing.
Is this something where we can, not have to machine something and we can actually just put a printed part and it'll be a saleable item?
Anyone who wants to introduce 3D printing into their process, you have to think about whether you want to use it for prototyping or can you actually use it for end production.
We're dissecting workflows by panel discussions with a few industry experts who use the Form 2. Then we're breaking out into small groups. After that, we're just going to hang out and talk and see demos and galleries and get to know each other.
It's great to connect with people face to face in their local community and hear about how they're using the Form 2.
So we talk about everything from automotive and aerospace to entertainment and building construction and beautiful kinds of really novel design. This is a very exciting moment in the evolution of how things are made, and it's really fun to get this group of people together to talk about it.